Thanks, Aaron. And, we're looking forward to some good football weather this weekend because we're going to have cooler temperatures, low humidity, those cool nights. But we have to get through some pretty rough weather before that. Some heavy rain on the way from Sally. Right now, it is clear out there. You can see the moisture well to our south at this point, but it's going to be working its way up to the north as we go through the day tomorrow, so that by this time tomorrow night, we'll begin to see some showers, and then eventually that heavier rain arrives during the day on Thursday. It's 66 in Spartanburg. Doesn't it feel good outside? 63 in Asheville, 70 for Greenville, 58 already in Hendersonville. We'll wake up to around 62 tomorrow morning, so a nice refreshing start, and we'll see a few peaks of sun early mixed with clouds, mostly clouds, some sun, and then the clouds will completely take over the second half of the day. Again, this is as all that moisture will be on the increase ahead of Sally. 75 as we head toward the end of the day in western North Carolina. And then after 5 o'clock, we'll be watching for some stray showers to move in, but all in all, looking like a pretty good day. 8 on the Carolina sky meter. Thursday will get a much lower grade as we're expecting that persistent heavy rain, especially toward middle part of the day in the afternoon. We have a Category 1 hurricane on our hands right now. It's only moving at 2 miles an hour as it approaches Mobile, Alabama, and will eventually hook eastward toward our area. The heavy rain is just going to be unrelenting over the next few hours. Could see anywhere from a foot of rain to up to 20 inches in spots. Wind gusts at 50 miles per hour plus as this is approaching, and of course that rise in water. So it is a dangerous situation along the Gulf Coast. It's going to move inland during the day on Wednesday and then weaken to a remnant area of low pressure as it moves across the central part of the state as we head toward Friday. But it's really on Thursday as it's approaching, that's when it's going to send all of the moisture our way. So notice Wednesday evening, seeing some light showers. Those are going to pick up and become much more intense as we get toward Thursday morning. This is the brand new update on the RPM model. And notice pockets of heavy rain at 6 a.m., but the heaviest starts to arrive late morning, early afternoon. Model's in decent agreement about that. I'm going to show you another one that's a little slower, though. It's the European model. But this one, again, showing the heaviest rain midday, but notice it moves off quickly so that really by Wednesday evening, overnight, most of that rain is done, and Friday looks mostly dry. Now here's the European model. It's the slowest. Now this is a slow storm, so it makes us watch this model with some intensity here because I think it may be onto something, but at this point we think Thursday is going to be our greatest day for rain. It still shows light rain Thursday morning, but notice it holds off the heaviest rain until late Thursday night into early Friday morning, 1 a.m. So this could happen in the middle of the night, leading to flooding issues by Friday morning. But all of the models agree that it is going to be out well in time for the weekend. A big cool down is in store as well. So we're talking 3 to 6 inches of rain around the 85 corridor up toward the Asheville, Hendersonville area, 2 to 4 inches far southern upstate and far northern portions of the mountains as it looks right now. So let's get a look at your next 7 days. 100% chance of rain. I don't put that out there that often, but Thursday, there is just no doubt in my mind that you will see rain at some point, and it will likely be heavy and long-lasting. As we go into Friday, though, we will see things calm down. I may remove that rain chance altogether, especially if the European model speeds up a little bit. Most of the models, though, keep that rain confined to Thursday. And then this weekend, does it get much better? Low 70s for highs, 50s for lows, and we'll even see some 40s across western North Carolina. So dust off those jackets. You might need them early in the morning. Of course, you'll want to check in on the morning news from 4:30 to 9. Nicole will have the latest updates, and this forecast really evolving. So you're going to want to check in with her when it comes to that heavy rain timing.